Adding keyframes. You can change almost all parameters for all video effects over time using keyframes. For example, you can have a clip gradually become out of focus, change color, or lengthen its shadow. Open the sequence 05 keyframes. View the sequence to get familiar with the footage, and then position the timeline playhead over the first frame of the clip. In the Effects panel, locate the lens flare effect and apply it to the clip in the sequence. This is not a subtle effect, but it illustrates motion keyframes beautifully. In the Effect Controls panel, select the Lens Flare Effect heading. With the effect selected, Program Monitor displays a small control handle. Use the handle to reposition the lens flare to match the following figure so that the center of the effect is near the top of the waterfall, as seen in the frame. Make sure the Effect Controls panel timeline is visible. If it isn't, click the Show Hide Timeline View button next to the clip name at the top right of the panel to toggle the display. Click the stopwatch icons to toggle animation on for the flare center and flare brightness properties. Clicking the stopwatch icon enables keyframing and adds a keyframe at the current location with the current settings. Move the playhead to the last frame of the clip. You can drag the playhead directly in the Effect Controls panel. Make sure you see the last frame of the video and not black, which would be the first frame of the next clip if there were one. Adjust flare center and flare brightness settings so the flare drifts across the screen with the camera pan and gets brighter. Use the following figures for guidance. Deselect the lens flare effect to hide the controls in the Program Monitor and play the sequence to watch the effect animate over time. You may need to render the sequence for full frame playback by choosing Sequence, Render Effects Into Out.